Yo, you alright, buddy? What's up, you guys? Today's episode, we're delivering food for a grocery company. It's pretty easy, you know. That building was like a freaking historic museum in there, man. So if you guys made it this far, please subscribe to my channel. Any questions or concerns, share that in the comment section. You guys know I do reviews on electric scooters, all my vlogs about electric scooters and all that stuff. We're running the JOKR bike, which pretty sucks in a way. It is what it is. At least we're not using our own scooter, which is pretty nice. I'm going back to the store hub. I'm like 20 minutes away. I think that guy got the order for free. I don't know. Probably he did, because it took me like 17 minutes to get here, and the whole catch is you get your groceries within 15 and 20 minutes. So that's the catch, you know. People living in this residential area, you know, they take advantage of that system and get groceries for free. But you know, it is what it is. So here's my take on this company, you guys. I think the company is really good. You know, you get paid hourly, and the whole catch is you need to deliver the groceries between 15 to 20 minutes, or else the client will get the groceries for free. There's entrances, service entrances, that will take you literally 8-7 minutes to get in. My take, you guys, is I think that's impossible. If you get a difficult building, like a huge residential building like this skyscraper, imagine you get like the 40th floor and then they tell you you can't go in the normal entrance. Right there, that's a D route. It's gonna take you like 10 minutes to get in. Why? Because the doorman is gonna be a dick.
Man, you can't take that up with you.
I can't?
You cannot take that up.
I'm just gonna drop off a delivery.
That's fine. But that is not allowed on the plaza.
Why not?
It's not.
I'm not gonna write it though.
On security, I said you can't take it up with you. It doesn't matter if you write it or not.
So that building, you probably need to loop all around the block. That's like what, like 3 minutes. Get into the service elevator. That's like what, like 7 to 8 minutes. Why? Because everybody that's working, every delivery person, every carpenter, superintendent is using that elevator. So it's gonna take you more than just 5 minutes to get into those type of luxury apartment buildings. Yo, you alright, buddy? Let that shit go. Next time I'm gonna fuck you up. Yeah, man, like that stupid fuck trying to steal the JOKR bike. I mean, he tried, but the wheel's locked. It was kind of funny because here I am with this order at the same time coming in. I see this fucking fat boy, chubby ass Latino guy trying to steal the JOKR bike. Like, why would you steal this orange bright bike? Like, for real, it's impossible. First, people gotta see you in broad daylight, and the wheel's locked up. We almost experienced a bike theft, but you know, if it's not my bike, so I'm not gonna kick the guy's ass for it. You know, of course I was coming at the same time when I was picking up this order, but you're welcome. You too. Oh shit. Oh shit. Jesus. Oh my God. It's all right, buddy. See what I'm saying? Oh man. You guys want to hear a joke? Knock knock, who's there? Sidewalk! Man, yo, like, get the fuck, yo, I understand if it's in like in a park or something like that, but in the street, come on. I know it's not my fault. It's like we're in the middle of the street. It's not a park. It's fucking Chinatown, and they don't even move. You know, like I'm ringing my bell. They don't look back to see if cars are coming. They're just there, walking.
Muchachos, quito que ahí lleve esta orden, no está asignada a nadie, ni se la puede asignar.
So I'm gonna take this one then.
¿Quito alguien que la lleve?
They said no.
Or which one?
So I deadass took this order because I did not want to take a 4-bag grocery orders. Hell no. That's why I was lurking on this order. So yeah, a lot of cancel orders because there's a lot of people are trying to scheme the company with the referral codes. Meaning, if I refer you, you get $20. So there's like a group of people living in this area that is scheming it. So that's why there's a lot of cancel orders. Today, you guys, I think I got like 20 orders canceled on me. Not 20, but majority of the orders that I was doing was like 20 orders canceled. It's been really weird working here. So hey yo, catch me on the set. Grocery delivery for 410 Jillian.
On your left side.
Thank you so much. ¿Eh? ¿La qué? Oh, ¿la quiere probar?
¿Sí sabes cómo? Te explico, rápido. Vamos al trabajo. Este es el motor de adelante.
Ok, y este de atrás.
Y ese de atrás, pero nada más vas a usar este.
Oh, el de atrás no.
Para que no te empuje fuerte.
Ok. Esa es un poquito débil, esa. Sí, es que para delear. Damn, this shit is uncomfortable. We switch bikes right now. Man, the turning radius on this is kind of heavy. Jesus.
Sometimes the best thing.
Yeah, this bike is OD heavy, you guys. Like the turning radius is so heavy. Sí.
Ya estoy tan acostumbrado a ella.
Sí.
Y esta está como muy grande, esta la siento chiquita, ¿me entiendes?
Sí, es verdad. So if you guys made it this far, watching my vlogs, thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel. We do reviews on e-scooters and we vlog about this type of work, you know, with e-scooters or e-bike. Damn, I got eggs in here. But like, hopefully you guys enjoy this content. Any questions or concern, please share that in the comment section. Anyways, take care, you guys. Thank you so much for the support. It really means a lot to me. We're on our way to 1,000 subscribers, so hopefully we make it. Until the next one with Riding with Anthony. Stay safe, y'all.
Will you ride with me? By my side, ride wild with me. By my side.